Welcome, today I'll show you how to change icon shape into a REALME GT 2 Pro. First of all, open your Play Store and find X Icon Changer application. This one. Need downloading and installing, so wait a second for install. And now click open. Then close ads. And now you need to choose your application from the list. Maybe Google will be nice. And now from the library choose your icon, like this, like Android for example. And then in the top right corner we got OK button. Press it and wait a second for generating. And then need to close ads a few times. And now tap add to home screen. And we got success message, so go to our home screen. And here we got new icon of our Google. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.